sensitive, you can peel. Here we have 5 peeled small tomatoes. So you can make it 3 to 5. You'll add this parsley also. Yes, by hand.
Red pepper, this is probably from Alibaba. And also black pepper.
1 teaspoon black pepper. And 1 teaspoon red pepper. This red pepper is hot pepper. 1.5 salt. Yeah, we have 1.5 teaspoon, tablespoon of tomato paste, and 1 tablespoon of pepper paste.
Also, what we're using is Turkish paste, imported from Turkey.
This is not hot, so I will use 1.
The sauce, the paste.
Ne kadar dayanır diyor.
This is olive oil that she's adding.
Sence yeterse parlaması lazım değil mi?
Then place them on a cup.
So that's the pasta.
Hamurlar büyük çünkü kalın olur sonra mayalı ya. Şimdi iyice şişer. Şöyle yapsam daha çok pişiyor. Bir sıvı demeye çalışıyorum.
So this is the ground beef filling. She's just using her fingers to press down a little to make sure it sticks to the dough, and you're welcome to come up to take a better look.
Bu kadar yeterli.
This is a good amount, she said. And now she's pinching the 2 ends
Kenarlarına kıvırıyor.
of the dough. And then she'll be rolling up the sides. This is to keep the filling inside when it cooks.
Bu kadar.
And that's the classical shape that we're looking for. So with any of the fillings, we're going to just do the same thing. She's going to show us one more time. So one step that we, sorry.